Hey, so in this video I'm going to show you how the JavaScript closure can be useful in your code. If you're not familiar with JavaScript closure, check out this link. So I have this code in Typescript and I have two classes, the parent class and the child class. In the parent class, I'm passing this function add to array to the child class via the callback function. So what I'm trying to do here is have the child class call the parent function add to array to get the new elements for its array. But I'm having some problems because if I run this, I'm actually getting this error saying that this.get new elements for array is not a function. And as you can see, I have the get elements for array defined in the parent class. So what is the problem? If you take a look at the add to array function, it's actually calling the this.get new elements for array, right? The question is, are we sure that the this variable is pointing to the parent class? So one way to verify that is we add a console log here and print the value of the this variable. And let's see what we get. So if we run this, here it's saying the value of the this is the child class. And that is probably the reason why it's saying the get new elements for array is not a function, because in our child class we don't have that function defined, only in the parent class. So what do we do then? That is where the JavaScript closure is useful in this case. So what we can do here is in the add to array, we need to convert that into a function factory. Basically have this function return a function, another function, which is an inner function. So here we change the return type to a function and then have the statement here return a function which just encloses this statement, and that should actually do it. So this is closure function that basically we have an inner function and an outer function, and this will actually capture the value this value to be that of the parent class. So if we try to run this, but first we have to actually add the parentheses here because we're actually returning a function to make that work. So we run, and as you can see, the error is no more, and our array is now contains the value of 4 and 5. So this is one of the uses of the JavaScript closure. There's also another way to do this function. This is a named function. You can actually do an anonymous function by actually assigning the function here like this, and using the same statement, return this dot. So this will actually work perfectly fine as well. So when you run, we get the same results. There you go. I hope you learned a little bit more about the JavaScript closure. Until next time, happy coding.